But our top story tonight comes from Parliament. Yesterday, 12 Rajya Sabha MPs of the opposition were suspended over their alleged bad behavior during the monsoon session of Parliament. Today, the government and the opposition are at war over the issue. Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu has turned down the opposition's demand to revoke the suspension of the members of Parliament. The government says the decision to suspend can be relooked if the MPs apologize. The opposition has rejected that demand and says it will start protests from tomorrow outside Parliament. Maushmi Singh brings you the latest standoff in our Parliament. Our top story tonight.
I wish to raise a very important procedural issue relating to suspension of...
I heard you.
No,
I understood what you want. No, you
Sir,
can't make a statement. You can't make a statement. You cannot make a statement.
However,
I understood. No, I heard you. I heard you.
It's an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation. The opposition is angry, inside and outside the parliament. The issue, the suspension of 12 MPs from parliament cutting across opposition ranks. The reason for creating ruckus and desecrating the temple of democracy, the parliament. The catch, strangely, the suspension comes in the winter session for what happened in the monsoon session. The government's take, the suspension will set an example for those who insult democracy. While the opposition post a 10 a.m. huddle on Tuesday demanded that the government revoke the suspension without any conditions, the government indicated suspension could be reconsidered if an apology was rendered.
Let me clearly clarify it.
कई बार हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि भाई माननीय सदस्य माफी मांग लें और आगे की कार्रवाई अच्छी तरीके से चले उसके लिए तैयार हो जाए, लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से माननीय सदस्य इस बात के लिए तैयार नहीं है.
The second day of the winter session boomed in protest to take back suspensions of 12 MPs over their conduct in the monsoon session. Responding to the opposition charge, Venkaiah Naidu reminded the opposition as to what went down on the 11th August 2020.
the suspension of any member, there are two parameters which have to be adhered to. Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct is not in order.
Right, sir. These people on 10th August go through the proceedings of the House. The Deputy Chairman made appeal number of times. Sometimes even took the names also. Later also it was in the bulletin also it was published about the people who are engaged in this act. You try to mislead the House, you disturbed the House, you ransacked the table, and you also throw the papers on the chair, and also you have got, some of them have gone down to the table, and then you are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons.
What resulted was a walkout of the opposition from both houses on Tuesday and congregating at the Gandhi statue outside Parliament. The Congress, the NCP, the DMK, the Samajwadi Party, left parties, RJD and the Aam Aadmi Party spoke in one voice: take back the suspensions. While the suspension has now united the opposition, there are some parties wanting a complete boycott of the winter session. While the Congress feels boycott will mean advantage government. As the opposition formulates a new strategy, one thing is for sure: this parliament session is building into a massive winter storm.
and it has been selected.
Bureau Report, India Today.
And the chairman of the House of the Rajya Sabha is empowered 256, 259, 266